Hello friends, welcome to Excel tutorial. My name is Muhammad Mujibuddin. We have been learning Vlookup from past 3 videos. This is our 4th video on Vlookup. Today we will again write the Vlookup formula, but today we will give the name range to our lookup table array. Let's get back to the previous Excel sheet. This is the data which we have been using from past 3 videos to find the sales amount for these employees. But this time we will give the table array a name, which will also help us to get the name range locked automatically. So let's start writing the formula. As usual, we look up, press tab, select lookup value, comma, select the table array and press F4. Remember, I have been telling to press F4 because we have to lock the table array. But this is not going to be anymore a point to be forgotten as soon as we will give a name to this table array. Let's write the formula as we used to do earlier, comma 2 comma 0 to get the sales value. Enter. We have got the sales value. We can double click to get the results. But now we are going to first give the name to our table array. Okay, select the table array. This is called the name box. When this is not removed, the selection is not removed, I am still selecting the table array, coming all the way to the name box and changing this to a name. One thing to remember while giving the name range, you cannot give a space. Let's say I am trying to give the name as my table. Enter. It says you must enter a valid reference you want to go to or type a valid name for the selection. It means that we cannot actually use spaces while giving the name. So I'll simply write my table without any space. Hit enter. Now this table array has got a name. Just select this table again. It will populate the name of the table here. Table name box is now changed to my table. We will now use this name while working on VLOOKUP. Let's again start writing the formula. VLOOKUP, select the value, lookup value, press comma. We have to now select the table array. We don't have to anymore go back to the table and select the table array. If you remember the name which we have given to the table array, you can simply type the name. As I know, I have given the table name as my name, so let's start typing my until we see the name. We have got the name, right? This is the name which we have given to this table array. Then press tab. It automatically selects the table array. Do you see a small line here? This corner and this corner, this is the selection line. It has selected the table and I don't need to press F4 anymore. Forget about using or pressing F4 or locking the table. It automatically got locked. Now we have to proceed with the formula. Comma, column index is 2, comma 0, done. We have got the same result, but it helped us to write the VLOOKUP formula faster. Because I was demonstrating while I was writing the formula, it took a long time. Let me again write a formula for commission, and I'm not going to tell anything, and you will see the difference. Then it's taking less time while writing the VLOOKUP formula. VLOOKUP, lookup value, comma, my name, comma 2, comma 0, done. I did not I did not go and select the table. Instead, I just gave the name and it's done. So table array is given a name before working on VLOOKUP, which has also helped us to reduce the time and also helps us to avoid forgetting of locking the table array. And I hope you find this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.